DJI's Air series, once a beacon of innovation for drone enthusiasts, has hit some unexpected air turbulence with the launch of the Air 3. While boasting an innovative dual primary camera system, the drone has been met with a wave of criticism for its shortcomings, particularly in the camera department. Many drone pilots now set their sights on the horizon, eagerly awaiting the rumored Air 3S, anticipated to take flight with a superior 1-inch sensor. Let's dissect the Air 3's shortcomings and explore the potential features that the Air 3S could bring to the table, hoping it will recapture the hearts of drone enthusiasts. The Air 3 certainly wasn't without its improvements. It brought an extended flight time and improved range to the table compared to its predecessor, the Air 2S. However, these advancements were overshadowed by a significant regression in the camera department, the heart and soul of many a drone pilot. Both lenses on the Air 3 sport a smaller 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, identical to the sensor found on the more budget-friendly Mini 3 Pro. The wide-angle camera on the Air 3 even represents a downgrade compared to the Air 2S. When it comes to capturing stunning still images, the Air 2S reigns supreme with its larger sensor and 20-megapixel camera, offering superior noise reduction and overall image clarity. To make matters worse, the Air 3 is capped at 4K resolution, falling short of the Air 2S's impressive 5.4K capability. The sole saving grace for the Air 3 might be the 70mm telephoto lens, providing a unique zoom function not available on its predecessor. However, both lenses lack variable aperture control, necessitating the use of ND filters to achieve proper exposure while shooting in bright sunlight. Overall, the Air 3 presents a confusing picture, offering advancements in some areas while taking significant steps backward in critical aspects like the camera sensor and image resolution. Examining past release cycles, there was roughly a year-long gap between the Air 2 and Air 2S. Following this pattern, we can expect the Air 3S to be unveiled sometime around July 2024. However, for the Air 3S to achieve redemption and reclaim its position as a leader in the drone market, a larger sensor is absolutely essential. Speculation suggests DJI will equip it with a 1-inch sensor, a move that would be met with cheers from drone enthusiasts everywhere. A 1-inch sensor promises significantly higher resolution and enhanced detail capture, allowing pilots to capture breathtaking aerial footage and images. Additionally, an upgrade to a true 48-megapixel camera is essential for improved still image quality, putting the Air 3S on par with other high-end drones in its class. The conversation around the Air 3S goes beyond just the camera sensor. Social media content creators were particularly disappointed by the Air 3's lack of vertical video shooting capability. In today's social media-driven world, this is a significant shortcoming. The Air 3 forces users to crop footage in order to produce vertical videos, resulting in a loss of precious detail. Ideally, the Air 3S should reintroduce the vertical mode with a rotating camera, enabling effortless social media content creation. Pilots who specialize in social media content creation would undoubtedly welcome this feature with open arms. Another potential upgrade that would be met with applause from drone pilots is support for the DJI RC Pro controller. Currently, the Air 3 only works with the RC2 controller due to the OcuSync 4 integration. RC Pro compatibility would be a welcome convenience for pilots who own multiple DJI drones. With RC Pro support, pilots could seamlessly switch between their Air 3S and other compatible DJI drones without needing to switch controllers, streamlining their workflow. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.